Welcome to Bodoland Khourang. The news read by Raman Brown. And in the Me Too, Indian Idol Anu Malik is likely to be dropped as an Indian Idol judge. Bollywood music composer Anu Malik has been fired from the singing reality show Indian Idol by Sony Entertainment Television in the wake of the numerous allegations of sexual harassment that have been labeled against him by multiple women. And in the Me Too, Indian Idol Anu Malik is likely to be dropped as an Indian Idol judge. Bollywood music composer Anu Malik has been fired from the singing reality show Indian Idol by Sony Entertainment Television in the wake of the numerous allegations of sexual harassment that have been labeled against him by multiple women. Music composer Anu Malik, who has been one of the accused in the Me Too movement, is likely to be once again removed as the judge of the singing reality show Indian Idol. Anu Malik was accused of sexual harassment last year by Sweta Pandit and Sona Mahapatra. Soon after his name surfaced in the Me Too movement, Sony Entertainment and the makers of the show had replaced him. Fans and viewers of the Indian Idol have constantly been talking to social media, sharing their anger about bringing back Anu Malik as a judge in the reality show Season 11. Shocking news coming in from Sony TV popular reality show Indian Idol 10 is that main judge Anu Malik is fired and instead of Salim and Sulaiman is requested to play the main judge replacing him. As per the latest reports, it is heard that Anu Malik is booked for sexual harassment and going to his channel fired him. Salim Sulaiman are the guest judges only for one episode, and now they will invite a musician and singer every week in place of Anu Malik. Mr. Anu Malik was judging the show since 2004, but apparently numerous complaints against him owing to sexual harassment has been filed by many singers who worked with him. Seconding this complaint is the most popular singer Alisha Sinai, who revealed that all statements are true and she too has faced sexual harassment. However, Anu Malik has denied these baseless complaints. That's the end of the news. Thank you. Have a nice day.